How to contact Instagram customer service. So to start, we'll just have to open our Instagram application, then navigate to our account. Once we're here on our account, all we need to do is to tap on these three lines, and then under settings, scroll down and look for this help option. And then under help, go to this report a problem option, and then tap again on the report a problem option. And then in here, go to this include and continue. So, the only way for us to contact Instagram customer service is by directly reporting to them any problem or issues on our Instagram account. So, as an example, I'm gonna type here, I have an issue in posting. And then at the bottom, you will see this upload and screenshot option. By tapping on any of this one, I can provide any photos or screenshot of the issue I have on my Instagram account. Once I'm done, I'll just have to tap on the send option. So what we can do now is to wait for Instagram response or to wait for Instagram to fix the issue. So that's how easy you can contact Instagram customer service. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!